Now, yeah, what is your problem?
Sir, I just want to say two things, sir. Number one, for the past 2 days, everyone knew that something is going in social medias, which is related to the privilege of 2 MPs. That's why I'm telling this here. I'm getting unconditional apology from Mr. Trichy Shiva, who is a very decent fellow. Just on emotions, who spoken on my party leader, I behaved in that manner. I'm getting excuse and apology from Trichy Shiva and from DMK leaders also. Number one. Number two, sir, I have life threat. I am being compelled to resign from my constitutional post
No,
by
listen.
my leader.
No, listen.
I have much gratitude.
No.
I have much gratitude.
No,
I want to thank her for giving me this post, but they are compelling me to resign from my post. I will not do it. I will not do it. There is women's safety. There is women's safety in this country. There is women's safety in this country. There is women's safety in this country, sir. Than this forum, where can I go, sir? Than this forum, where can I go? I have been harassed. I have been slapped by her yesterday. I have been harassed by her yesterday.
Listen to me.
I have been brought here by Deputy Speaker Sambidurai here.
Listen to me.
I have not been allowed to speak with my husband and family. What is this, sir? Is this the women's safety?
Please listen to me, Pushpaji. Please listen to me, Pushpaji. Now listen. I will allow you. I will allow you. Sit down. I will allow you. Sit down. Now I will allow you. I will allow you. I will allow you. Yeah. Now, let me say. Yeah. Now, sit down. Pushpaji, I tell you.
Sir.
Now, see.
Sir, I have much gratitude to her.
Now
There
listen.
is no doubt. But
If you have any complaint,
compelled to
now
resign.
listen to me. Listen to me now. If you have any complaint, you are free to approach Honorable Chairman. Now please. Now
So it is a
who
women
is?
harassment, sir. If an MP is being slapped, if an MP
Now
is being
listen.
slapped by a leader, what is this, sir? We are having human dignity.
Now see.
It's constitution.
Why I
sir.
said? Listen to me. Why
We
I
have
said
human
no?
dignity, sir. Constitution says we should have
listen.
dignity first, then only others. I'm not here for
Now
any
listen to
benefits
me.
of Rajya Sabha.
Yes. She.
As a UPSC,
Yeah, that is what I'm
as a
saying.
UPSC aspirant, how can I
Suniye.
give up my dignity?
Listen. I will allow you. Nareshi, Suniye. Now, yes. She came to the well. She wept. That is why I allowed her. Listen. I know. She came here. She came to the well for the first time. A lady coming to the well like that, and she wept. That's why I allowed her. But
So
I am
need
telling
protection.
you. Now,
I need protection,
It is-
sir. At
Let me-
Tamil Nadu, I don't have safety.
you are not allowing
At
me.
Tamil Nadu, I don't have
Arey,
safety.
Suniye.
I could not leave even. I could not live even
You
at my
don't-
house. There's a threat for my life.
Then Naresh,
There's a threat
what do you?
for my
I am
life.
not listening. I am not hearing. One of you speak. Naresh, what is? One of you speak. All others sit down.
अगर कोई मेंबर पर्सनल बात करता है,
नरेश।
ये पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर भी आता है और ये अलाउ होगा। ये सदन की व्यवस्था रही है, परंपरा रही है। अगर कोई सदस्य अपनी बात कहना चाहता है तो सदन को कहने दीजिए, उसका राइट है, तो उसको कहना दीजिए।
Now listen, I allowed her.
उसको कहने का तो कहने दीजिए।
Now Naresh, no. अरे सुनिए. This is unfair. अरे सुनिए. You listen to me. Go back. No, Naresh, see, unless you see. अरे you listen to me. Listen to me also. See, it is an unnecessary charge against the chair to say that I did not allow her. Now let me say, I only allowed her. No, I know. See her emotion. She came to the well. I understood it and I allowed her. What I told is only this. Listen, understand. Honorable Chairman is a custodian of all members. Now let. please allow. See, this is very now, you are not allowing me to say. I will see, but you are not allowing me to say.
कहता है तो पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर में भी आता है और उसको कहने का पूरा अधिकार
I am not preventing.
अगर वो कह रही है कि उसकी जान
Why do you say I am preventing?
उसकी जान को खतरा है तो फिर
I was only I didn't prevent it. I didn't. No, Naresh ji. No.
अगर वो हाथ में कहने नहीं तो कहने नहीं
If all of you stand up and shout what word, I am not blocking here. I am only requesting all of you take your seat. I will allow here. But if all of now pressurizing me like this is not good. And also it is under a wrong impression. I only made an observation. Honorable Chairman is a custodian. He will protect here also. That is all. No, that is all what I said. That is all what I said. Okay. That's all what I said. Now, you finished? You finished? What more you want to say? Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I want to thank leader. There is no doubt. She only gave this most. I have gratitude. But the thing is, if a leader can slap an MP, if a woman can be harassed, if a woman
don't
can be
bring in
harassed,
those things.
I need protection.
No, don't bring those things.
Government's protection,
Don't bring
sir.
those things.
I need government's protection.
Okay, all right.
I need government's protection.
You write to the Honorable
I
Chairman.
need government's protection.
No, what happened? See, now, Shashikala ji.
Sir,
No,
they are compelling
Shashikala
me
ji.
to resign, sir.
no.
They are compelling me
No.
to resign.
Shashikala
They
ji.
are compelling me to resign.
No.
They are compelling me to resign, sir.
Shashikala ji. Shashikala
Why
ji.
should I
No.
resign? Why should I resign,
Shashikala,
sir?
now listen. Don't see.
I want to serve
No.
for this country.
You are.
I want to serve for the
You
poor
listen to
people.
me. Shashikala, listen to me. Please. No, listen. Areba. Shashikala, you listen to me. You can only, see, don't narrate anything which amounts to, now please. Please. See, don't narrate or say anything. See, please. Don't narrate or say anything which amounts to allegation against anybody, listen, who cannot come here and protect. Instead, please, instead, let me complete. What is this? Instead, if you have personal problem, that only you say. Now, and you can write to the Honorable Chairman. You can write to the Honorable Chairman.
Sir,
You understand? That is okay.
There is no personal
Eh?
problem, sir. It is a privilege of MP to speak with this.
Yeah, I told her.
You are the custodian.
She has every protection. She has every protection. I told. Now sit down. Now please. Anyhow,
Sir, I want to
see,
Sir,
any allegation made. No. Nowadays, any allegation. Nowadays, listen to me. Nowadays, Krishnan, listen to me. You listen to me. You listen to me. Any allegation made, you listen to me. You are advocate. Listen to me. Any allegation made against anybody who cannot come and protect here is expense.
Sir, my life is under threat,
Now,
sir. Sir, my life is under threat.
Now you go back.
My life
You
is
go back.
under threat.
Now, I am going. That is all.
My life is under threat.
That is Sharad Yadav.
Sir, my
Now, Sharad
life is
Yadav
under
ji.
threat.
You write.
Sir, my
Write
life
to
is
the
under
chairman.
threat.
Sharad Yadav ji. It's over. I have expunged it. I have expunged it. You are not listening. Whatever allegation is made against anybody who cannot come and defend here has been expunged. That is over. Sit down. And but she will have the protection of the Honorable Chairman. And no problem. Sit down. Sit down now. Sit down.
One thing I want to
Shri Sharad Yadav ji. Yeah, please.
हमको पूरा अधिकार है इस सदन के सदस्य होने के नाते हमको पूरा अधिकार है अपनी निजी बात को कहने पर। हमको इस सदन से प्रोटेक्शन मिलने का भी पूरा अधिकार है। नहीं सुनिए, माननीय सदस्य ने किसी का नाम नहीं लिया, लेकिन अगर सदस्य कह रही उसको झापड़ मारा गया, उसकी जिंदगी को खतरा,
उन्होंने नहीं बोला,
ये कहा, ये बोल रहे हैं कि उसके झापड़ मारा गया, जिंदगी को खतरा। श्रीमान, ये कैसे हो जाएगा? एक सदस्य मारा जाए, उसकी जिंदगी को खतरा हो और सदन में बोलने की अनुमति भी ना हो, ये कैसे हो जाएगा? She is saying this.
No, see, no, she didn't speak. She said about someone who cannot come here. नरेश जी, आपने नहीं सुना, आपने नहीं सुना. She didn't say that any member has slapped her. She didn't say. She said about somebody else. That's what I am saying.
नहीं, ये नहीं.
Yeah, I heard it.
आज उसकी बात है, कल किसी दूसरे सदस्य की बात हो जाए तो कैसे होगा? क्या सदस्य अपनी बात नहीं करेगा?
She didn't say.
वो कह रही है मुझको इस्तीफा देने को मजबूर।
She didn't say that. She only mentioned about some leader who cannot come and defend you. That is all what I explained.
इससे क्या हुआ?
She mentioned giving allegation against. Yes. I tell you, I tell you what I heard is, see, if I am wrong, you can correct me. What I heard is, she did not say that any member from this house or the other house has beaten her or slapped her. She only, no please, she is only, let me say, now let me, she only said a leader. And I said leader of not this house. Then I said, if you are mentioning about somebody who cannot come and defend here, don't say that is explanation. That is all. That's all. That's all.
माननीय सभापति, अगर एक एमपी को, अगर एक सदन के सदस्य को मारा जाएगा, अब वो सदस्य अपनी जान को खतरा बताएगा।
I told her, give notice. I told her, give notice. I told her, give notice. And also write to the honorable chairman. Naresh ji.
माफी मांगी, माफी मांगी।
Naresh ji. Yeah, okay. Naresh ji, she already, see. Now, Naresh ji, you must have read, I know, read the newspaper. But she already said, the apology has been there, that matter is settled, number one. She said about something else. Then only I said, if it is about a leader, see, Naresh, then only I said, if it is about a leader who cannot come and defend, don't say it. Instead, give a complaint to the chairman and also write to the chairman. That's all. Yes, Venkaiah Naidu. Sri Venkaiah Naidu. Sri Venkaiah Naidu. Sri Venkaiah Naidu. Okay. Yeah.
My life and dignity is under threat. Will the government save me? This is my question.
Okay.
Sir. I want to get answer from the government that
all right.
Will they save me?
Okay.
A woman's life is under
You will
threat
have full
by
protection.
a state government.
That is what she is saying. Why do you worry about that? That is her complaint. Why do you worry about that?
Will they give a statement of saving me?
Okay. No. I tell you, Honorable Chairman and the government will protect. See, Naidu ji, you heard.
Narendra Krishna, please.
Yeah, you heard her.
Please.
That is up to her to say. Yeah.
Narendra Krishna ji, please. This house, sir, I have a humble suggestion to the chair and also to the house. This discussion is not going to add to the glory of the house. One, a member has committed a mistake, beating another member. She has apologized for the same. Wait. You try to understand, ma.
No, listen.
You hear me fully.
Sasikala, minister, you listen to the minister.
You hear me.
Hear the minister.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, 2 days.
Arey,
image of
listen to the
parliament-
minister.
Whatever it is, the image of the parliament was at stake 2 days. Now, she said something in the house. I am not going to join the issue with her because she has expressed regrets according to me. That should put an end to there. And secondly, if the member has got any problem with regard to her security, the best way, according to me, is writing to the chairman.
I told her.
And then chairman will take appropriate action.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what you have said. So let us proceed further and
Yeah,
go to the other.
that's correct. That is okay. Now, Sri Sharad Yadav. Sir,
Excuse me, sir. Tomorrow something will happen to any of the members of this house. Do you think that he or she should not be allowed to express her grievances?
no, she had.
She has not been allowed to speak. She has not been allowed to speak whatever she wanted to speak. She should be allowed. This can happen with any member of this house. Since this is from opposition, this can happen with the ruling party. I do not know what is the reason. I do not know what is the reason. But how come a member of our parliament is not being allowed to express her views?
I think, see, no, I think I allowed her, see, I allowed her, listen, I allowed her, I understood what she said, not only me, everybody understood what she said. No, see, I understood what she said. To say that I did not allow is unfair. That's all what I am saying. And let me go to the next item. Sri Sharad. अरे छोड़ो. नरेश जी, आपको मालूम है क्या हो गया? She can write to the chairman, approach the chairman. He will protect her, and government will also take. Please.
मेंबर को कहने नहीं देंगे ये काहे के लिए सदन में हम आए अगर मेंबर के साथ कोई घटना घटी है वो कहना चाहता है तो उसको नहीं कहने
That's all.
नहीं ये गलत बात है ये परंपरा हम ठीक नहीं मानते
We are seized to the matter. She will write to Honorable Chairman, I told. Government will take care of her protection if necessary. Don't worry. See, government will take care of her protection if necessary. She will write to Honorable Chairman. We will do the needful. I can assure on behalf of the Honorable Chairman, we will do the needful in this matter. Okay? Yeah. And if she needs protection, government will take care of that. Don't worry. We will take care. I can assure you. Now, please, Sri Sharad Yadav ji, you're over. Don't.
अगर किसी मेंबर के साथ कभी कोई घटना
हो गया
तो क्या उस मेंबर को अपनी बात सदन के अंदर कहने का
What is this? I don't know what happened.
तो किस नियम के तहत
बोल दिया.
किस नियम के तहत कौन सा नियम है जो
She has no complaint.
अपनी बात सदन में कहने
She said she has no complaint. Why you sit down? She said I understood. Everybody understood. And then what is this? Sharad Yadav ji, nothing else will go on record. Nothing else will go on record. Nothing else will go on record. Only what Sharad Yadav says. Nothing else will go on record. That's enough. It is clear. Everybody understood.
मैं एक अपनी
Everybody got the point.
मैं एक गंभीर सवाल